So my name's Steven, this is Colin, and this is James, and we're working on RPI Mobile. So we already presented this semester. I'm assuming most people know what it is, but just a brief overview. It's an iOS application that's meant for people on campus, and it provides a better solution for mobile devices for all the data sources around. And currently the only alternatives that I've seen are web apps and something that the alumni program or somebody is working on, but that's Android only.
So far on the back end, we have a server set up, Python server, Python 3, running Beautiful Soup 4 for parsing various web data sources, and then throwing it in some SQLite. And it's just a little bottle Python server, really easy to set up. You could probably throw it on your server in about 10 minutes. Right now what we've got, most of the RPI athletic stuff is being scraped, persisted, and then cached for a day or two depending on the data. So we have the rosters for all of the sports teams, the team pictures, and the schedules for all of the upcoming games and the results for all of the games that have happened so far. Additionally, the laundry alert service is being scraped, and the live data is fed to the mobile apps. Currently, something I'm working on is scraping TV schedules for what people get on campus, the TV service, which is being a little bit of a nuisance, but that's what I'm currently working on. And working on dining hall menus, which is also a little iffy, but that'll be next up.
So I'm working on the iOS side of things. I recently got the laundry status finished, and right now I'm working on a campus map. So it's just a basic overview, and there's points on each important building or landmark, and you can click it to get information, building hours, telephone numbers, things like that. I rewrote the athletics section to use all of the backend data that James just talked about. And I'm also working on the events page through RPI events. So hopefully we'll have that done by the end of the semester so we can release.
So I'm doing the Android part. I finished up athletics, that's almost completely done. Laundry status was done. Coming up, I'm going to be doing tour feeds and shuttle tracking, as well as getting the building hours and information once I figure out how to integrate the maps correctly. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's moving along pretty well.
So one thing I added was I'm going to start using TestFlight to deploy this to anybody who wants to help beta test. So if anybody wants to, has an iOS device that they'd like to test it out, just send me an email and I can put you on the list. So we're hoping to get a beta out maybe by Thanksgiving break or right afterwards, just to get feedback from people on campus, and then take all that feedback and hopefully get something submitted to the App Store for the next semester. Thank you. The usual suspects. Any questions?
You are recorded, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still there.
Yeah, it's in there.